Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the vertical scrolling speed on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I just open up the search menu, search for Control Panel. Best result, you come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Up at the top right where it says View By, click the drop down and select large icons. And then going down, select the mouse icon on this list, and then select the wheel tab at the top, and you can adjust the vertical scrolling speed by clicking up or down, or you could just select one screen at a time. And that's all you have to do. Select Apply and OK to save your selection choice, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.